Are you tired of seeing those annoying dents on your car every time you walk by? Wondering if there's a way to fix them yourself without spending a fortune at the body shop? What if you could restore your car's sleek look in your own garage with just a few simple tools? Today, I'm putting 5 of the best car dent repair machines to the test. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to save some cash, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dent puller is right for you. 5. Generic dent puller. This is one of the most affordable options out there, and it's easy to see why so many people are tempted to try it for their first DIY dent repair. The kit includes a basic suction cup and a simple handle mechanism, making it straightforward to use. Just clean the dented area, press the suction cup onto the surface, and pull. In theory, it's as simple as it gets. During my testing, I found that the suction power was decent on perfectly flat, smooth surfaces, especially for small, shallow dents. For those little dings you get in parking lots, the generic dent puller can sometimes pop the panel back into place with minimal effort. It's lightweight, portable, and doesn't require any glue or heat, which is a plus if you're looking for a quick fix. However, the simplicity of this tool is also its biggest drawback. When I tried it on curved panels or dents near the edge of a door, the suction cup struggled to maintain a grip. If the surface wasn't spotless, the puller would lose suction almost immediately. I also noticed that the handle felt a bit flimsy, especially when I applied a bit more force for stubborn dents. Over time, I'd be concerned about its durability. Another issue I encountered was its limited effectiveness on anything but the most minor imperfections. Medium or deep dents barely budged, and the tool simply couldn't generate enough pulling force. If you're hoping to tackle more than just a tiny ding, you'll likely be disappointed. Number 4. NJ Forever Dent Puller. This kit steps things up with a combination of glue pulling tabs and a bridge puller mechanism, giving you a bit more versatility compared to the basic suction cup design. The set includes a glue gun, several pulling tabs of different sizes, and a bridge puller to help distribute force more evenly across the dent. In my hands-on testing, I appreciated the ergonomic design of the tools. The golden dent puller was comfortable to use, and the bridge puller worked well for medium-sized dents. The glue tabs adhered firmly to the car's surface, and the pulling action felt controlled, reducing the risk of over-pulling and creating new problems. One thing I noticed, though, is that the glue takes a bit longer to set than I'd like. When working on multiple dents, this slowed down my workflow, especially if I was in a hurry. The instructions were clear, which helped, but the process is still a bit more involved than with a simple suction puller. The NJ Forever Dent Puller performed admirably on small to medium dents, but it did struggle with deeper creases or dents on curved panels. The smaller tabs weren't as effective on these tricky spots, and sometimes I had to repeat the process several times to see noticeable results. While the tools themselves felt well made, some of the plastic components seemed less robust, and I'd worry about their longevity with frequent use. Number 3. Polisak Car Dent Puller. At number 3, we have the Polisak Car Dent Puller, a kit that strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. This set comes with a variety of glue tabs, a bridge puller, and an adjustable pulling mechanism, making it suitable for a wide range of dent sizes and shapes. Testing the Polisak kit, I found the bridge puller's adjustable design made it easy to target dents precisely, even on slightly curved surfaces. The glue tabs provided a strong hold, and the pulling action was smooth, allowing me to gradually work out dents without risking damage to the paint. I especially liked the variety of tab sizes, which let me match the tool to the dent for optimal results. One standout feature is the ease of use. Even if you're new to DIY repairs, the instructions are straightforward, and the process doesn't require much trial and error. The Polisak kit handled both small dings and larger, shallow dents with confidence. I was able to restore a door panel that had suffered a nasty shopping cart hit, and the results were almost invisible. While the Polisak isn't quite as heavy-duty as the top 2 kits on this list, it's a significant step up from the entry-level options. The build quality is solid, and the tools feel durable enough for regular use. I did notice that for very deep or sharply creased dents, it took a couple of attempts to get the panel looking perfect, but with patience, the results were impressive. Number 2. Bitlyle Dent Puller. Runner-up on our list is the Bitlyle Dent Puller, a kit that impressed me with its professional-grade features and robust construction. This set includes an adjustable bridge puller, a golden dent lifter, a glue gun with multiple glue sticks, and a wide assortment of pulling tabs for different dent sizes. Right out of the box, the Bitlyle kit feels premium. The tools are sturdy, with metal components that inspire confidence. The glue gun heats up quickly, and the glue tabs adhere firmly, making the pulling process efficient and reliable. During my tests, I found the golden dent lifter to be particularly effective for small and medium dents, providing precise control and minimizing the risk of over-pulling. One of the highlights of the Bitlyle kit is its versatility. Whether I was dealing with hail damage, door dings, or larger dents from minor accidents, this kit handled them all with ease. The adjustable bridge puller was especially useful for distributing force evenly, preventing any damage to the paint or underlying metal. The Bitlyle kit is also user-friendly, with clear instructions and an intuitive design. Even if you're not experienced with dent repair, you'll be able to achieve professional-looking results after just a bit of practice. The only minor drawback I encountered was the sheer number of pieces in the kit. It can be a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get organized, it's easy to find the right tool for the job. Number 1. Super PDR Dent Puller Kit. Taking the top spot on our list is the Super PDR Dent Puller Kit, a powerhouse in dent repair solutions. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for professional-grade results: multiple lifters, a golden lifter, T-bar and bridge pullers, slide hammers, a glue gun with extra glue sticks, and a huge assortment of tabs for different dent sizes. From the moment I started using the Super PDR kit, I could tell it was in a league of its own. The build quality is exceptional. Every tool feels solid and well-engineered. The golden lifter is perfect for small to medium dents, offering excellent control and precision. The slide hammer provides extra pulling power for larger or more stubborn dents, and the bridge pullers ensure even force distribution for flawless repairs. What really sets the Super PDR kit apart is its attention to detail. The patented silicone base on the lifter protects your car's paint, and the glue gun heats up rapidly for efficient workflow. During my tests, I was able to restore panels with both minor dings and significant dents, and the results were consistently impressive. No visible marks, scratches, or paint damage. The Super PDR kit is also incredibly versatile. It's not limited to cars. You can use it on motorcycles, appliances, and even furniture with metal surfaces. The comprehensive set means you'll always have the right tool for any job, big or small. Final thought. So there you have it, my hands-on review of the best car dent repair machines, from budget picks to professional-grade kits. Whether you're fixing a single ding or tackling multiple dents, there's a solution here for every need and budget. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and DIY tips.